welcome to tonight's benefit concert, Change Begins Within.
This event, to me, is one of the, I think one of the most important events to happen at this moment in our history.
I really have trouble now that I'm married 9 years. I can't be with hang around with a single man. If you don't have a wife, what are we going to talk about? You have a girlfriend? That's wiffle ball, my friend. You're playing paintball war. I am in Iraq with real loaded weapons. Thank you so much for supporting meditation and young people. Thanks for coming. Thank you, David Lynch. Good night.
Must be the season of the beach. Must be the season of the beach, yeah. Must be the season of the beach.
You know, ideas, they're the best thing going. Mm-hmm. And it really, really stuck with me, and then here it is. It's really, this one in particular is one of the better ideas.
Beautiful, Eddie.
Well, and thank you for bringing this to the people.
You know, I remember when I first heard that some little kid, you know, brings a gun into school. And then you start hearing all these problems.
I get overly frustrated sometimes.
Kind of angry all the time.
And then they introduce this technique where the student can dive within and enliven that inner happiness, inner intelligence, inner creativity and love. And they see the problems start evaporating.
I think it gives you a break from the madness. I can't put it any other way, really. It's just a privilege and a pleasure to be part of this.
It's so beautiful.
Yeah, it's such a cool thing, you know?
We all live in a yellow submarine, a yellow submarine, a yellow submarine. We all live in a yellow submarine, a yellow submarine, a yellow submarine. We all live in a yellow submarine, a yellow submarine, a yellow submarine.
So the idea of what you're doing, of putting this into schools, I think is a fabulous thing. To me, it's like a seed, that it's for sure if you take a great seed, an acorn, and you don't put it in the ground, it's pretty guaranteed you won't get an oak tree. But if you put it in the ground, there's a very good chance you'll get an oak tree. And I think that seems to me what you're doing. So that's what I love about what we're involved in now. And so that's why I was so happy to do the concert.
Baby, you can drive my car.